Hi, I'm Carrie Kennedy. I'm a functional consultant at JourneyTEAM. And a lot of people have questions on how to manage various retail and commerce processes and how to use an ERP to do so. Today, I'll be covering the benefits and outcomes of using a fully integrated and consolidated ERP solution. The solution I'll be showing is Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain. Go ahead and share my screen and we'll get started. So, one of the first major benefits of finance and supply chain is how flexible it is, both in terms of like kind of immediate implementation and the ability to grow the system. So, right away, I'm actually going to jump into our channel deployment. So, you have the ability to deploy a single retail channel, which would be like a store, a brick and mortar store, a call center, or an online store. You can deploy a single or as many as you want. So in this demo environment, we have 42 stores, 2 call centers, and 5 online stores. And like just that alone is so incredible that you have that enormous flexibility on how many channels you're going to deploy. But then the other thing that's incredible is that because this is a part of finance and supply chain, you have the ability, of course, to only implement retail and commerce, but we also have the the full implementation of finance and supply chain available at any time. So you can implement it at the same time or as you need. So fully robust finance modules, manufacturing modules, if that's a part of your business model, warehousing, human resources. So again, that might not be something that you need today, but you know that you're going to have growth and need that in the future. This offers you the flexibility to do that as you grow. Really incredible. The other main thing, again, of having everything kind of unified is you're unifying that back office, in-store, call center, and e-commerce. So if I go ahead and head over to our on hand, so this is giving you a look at what we have in inventory. And you can see from here that we have our sites, which is kind of our general, maybe regional areas, and then our warehouses. And so from any location, and that includes headquarters, back office, but then also any retail location, which these warehouses are mostly retail locations, but then they're also like distribution centers. They have access to this on hand count. And so what that does is it gives them the ability to really support that customer experience in a variety of ways. You can, if you're out of an item, you can quickly see which store near you has the item to either, direct the customer that they're available to pick up immediately that day or to ship to that customer. It also, because this is fully integrated with e-commerce, you have the ability to do a buy online and pick up in store. So again, there's so much power that comes from having this fully integrated. And that's all right here, that inventory piece. The other thing that comes from this is, really being able to control your inventory costs. And from headquarters, you can also push out cycle counts to the individual store locations. It's going to show up right on their POS when they log in. Again, there's going to be different logins, of course, but pushing out those cycle counts enables them to maintain accurate physical counts and keep everybody on the same page, and that can all be directed right from headquarters. So then, speaking from just POS, or speaking about POS, we have the ability, again, right from retail and commerce, fully integrated to be able to design those visual profiles. So I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this, but you can see that you have these different designs based on whether it's different stores or the fact that you have a a full, cash drawer POS, a mobile POS, or for like a pop-up store. So you've got these different styles, different backgrounds that you're able to design right from this one um, system. And then we have our screen layouts. And again, this is all designed from retail and commerce. So we have our different screen layouts and our different button grids. I have some of these already kind of pulled up. Grab those. So you can kind of see, again, from one solution, you're able to design your layouts. And these, of course, are already designed in here with our demo data, but you can, our product button grid and from our payment button grid, these are all able to be edited. You can delete a button, add a button, change the color. This can all be customized to your unique need, but that's all done right here from a single solution. Minimize those. And then wanting to take a look at our call centers. So with our call centers, really the call center is, designed to support if we have a customer that is calling in, wants to call in their order or has a return that they want to place, they might have a defective order. Um, that's all right here too. And again, because everything is fully integrated, when they make that call in, they're able to see, all of their sales orders, all of their invoiced orders. And by selecting on any of these, you can see the details of those lines. So it really, gives that person in the call center all of the information they need to either create a new sales order or process that return order and really make that customer experience seamless, just, no matter what platform they purchase their item in. So now moving on to digital commerce or e-commerce and a website. So as soon as you deploy an e-commerce channel, you're going to need to create a website. And you can do that with using a third party, but Microsoft does have an integrated site builder, which is really incredible to have that fully integrated. And here we can go right here. So again, this is filled with demo data, of course, but we have this all, and all of these kind of menu items are supported from within the configurations, but they're all right here. And so we have templates that are here. So if we take a look at like a category template, and that's here, and it kind of just gives you those design blocks that you need for those different types of pages. And then we can kind of see what that looks like. Kind of see what those different blocks are. And so again, this is, really incredible to have it fully integrated. It makes it really seamless when you're designing it, when you're adding new products, it makes it really simple. So it just really helps facilitate all of those kinds of changes and discounts and specials that you might run to have that fully integrated. Here's just a quick look at what that kind of website is looking like now, those drop downs. The other thing that Microsoft Retail and Commerce has the ability to do is it can also fully integrate with online marketplaces such as Amazon or eBay, and it can also transact on social media platforms. So those integrations are available and are so important to make sure that those connections are available. So thank you for watching this video on retail and commerce fit and how you can accomplish an improved customer experience across all channels.